how to make your girlfriend obsessed with you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Obsessed sounds like a negative thing, but what I mean is how to make her so deeply in love with you that she can't imagine her life without you. The science of attraction. Before we get into the tips, let's talk about the science of attraction. What makes someone feel attracted to another person? There are a few different factors, but one of the most important is emotional connection. When we connect with someone on an emotional level, we feel a deep sense of intimacy and trust. We feel like they understand us and that we can be ourselves around them. How to create emotional connection. So, how do you create that emotional connection with your girlfriend? Be a good listener. Really pay attention to what she's saying and ask her questions to show that you're interested. Be supportive. Be there for her when she's going through tough times and celebrate her successes with her. Be honest and open. Share your thoughts and feelings with her and let her know that you trust her. Make her feel special. Do things for her that make her feel loved and appreciated. Tips for keeping her obsessed. Once you've created that emotional connection, here are a few tips for keeping her obsessed with you. Keep things exciting. Surprise her with spontaneous dates or gifts. Don't be afraid to be yourself. She'll be drawn to your authenticity. Make her feel beautiful. Compliment her often and remind her of how much you love her. Don't take her for granted. Always show her how much she means to you. Remember, the key to making your girlfriend obsessed with you is to make her feel loved, appreciated, and respected. When she feels that way, she'll want to be with you forever.